Here's a story from a couple of years back. I was at this yard sale with my sister. She was about 4 at the time. Anyway, she found this Dr. Seuss book called The Cat in the Hat. I was filled with nostalgia as I decided to buy it. Hey, how does this cost? I asked.
Well, how about $20?
I handed him the money and we headed home. When it was around 8 p.m., my sister had to go to sleep, but I decided to read her the book to my sister. I was on my iPad in the room next to it, so I decided to listen. It's normal. After he finished, he cooked, said goodnight, and left. I just kept playing on my iPod. At around 12 p.m. I woke up around 1 a.m. All I heard was a ticking noise outside my window. Then my sister screamed. I ran to her room, but nothing was there. I looked and found I didn't meet me downstairs. Confused, I had to check. I ran downstairs and saw him.
He had soulless eyes and a big smile that stretched across his entire face. He was tall and had black. He was wearing a red and striped top hat. He was paralyzed. I was paralyzed, staring. He started to laugh with a loud squeaky voice. Slowly, his laughter turned in. Are you trying to take her? Sir said. What? Who? Her. He lifted his hat and it picked out. It was my sister. I was paralyzed. The monster started to smile. He kept staring. I ran. He screamed. I had to save my sister. The screams became louder and louder. When the police, I tripped and fell downstairs. I ended up with 2 broken legs and passed out at the bottom of the steps. I woke in the hospital. They told me I was gonna be okay, but my sister had been sexually abused. After a few filled minutes, I had to take an interview to see who did it. I got all kinds of nightmares now about what happened, and we never found who that pedophile was. If you saw something like this, please send me a message about what happened.